from Dervos. Welcome to my channel. I know many of you are interested about our real production, so I'm gonna be your eyes and take you around our two centers, the manufacturing center and the integration center. Now follow my camera and let's go. So here is the entrance of our manufacturing center. As you can see, there are many different areas for different processes, from casting arrival, machining, assembly, pressure testing to painting. All of them are done here. Now let's go and explore it. So when castings first arrive, they will be unloaded here in front of our warehouse. Then we will check the quantity, size, wall thickness, raw material reports, etc. Unfortunately, we don't have any new castings arrived today, but we can have a look at our warehouse. Now let's go. We have arranged them into different shelves. On every shelf, we divided them into different small grids, which is by different sizes and material. And we put cards on every grid to show its material, size, and quantity. Every collection must be registered on this card, so you have to write down the date and the quantity you put in or take out. Now I'm going to show you the most complicated part, machining. Machining includes a lot like rough machining, fine machining, welding, drilling, polishing, shot blasting, grinding, and so on. This row of machines are called horizontal lathes. They can process different parts with rough machining like machining end flange, middle flange, back stitch, etc. And fine machining on seat ring after overlay, flange waterline, etc. Now where I stand is the big vertical lathe. Look how tall and how big it is. Valves must be big enough, 20-inch or above, are capable to enjoy its massage. So apparently I'm not the lucky one. Apart from rough and fine machining, valves must go for the following steps: welding, drilling, polishing, shot blasting, and grinding. Now we got all things prepared, then we have to put them together. So as you can see, here are some Dervos valves being assembled. Assemble is directly related to valve sealing. All the parts must be in the right place to do the right job. And when all these jobs are done, how's the valve sealing performance? Pressure test will tell us. Here comes the pressure test. Many clients ask us if we do pressure tests on every valve. Don't worry, we not only have 100% pressure tests on every valve, but our inspectors will also do spot check. We're confident that all the products delivered to your hand are qualified. Now you may notice I put my mask on. That's because I'm in painting area. All valves pass pressure tests will be transferred here to wear their colorful coats. But before we start painting, we need to use two gauges. One for measuring the humidity and temperature, the other one for measuring the temperature of valve surface. Painting differs as these factors change. This room can spray painting on 120 valves at once. So far, we've gone through all the steps in our manufacturing center, so it's time to meet our unique integration center. You might wonder, what is integration center? The integration center is where we unify the valve inspection quality, painting, and customized packing. This is how we make sure that all the products from Dervos are of the same high quality. Now let's take a look at the inside. We decorated this center recently because we hope to make the place with warmth. For example, on this wall, you can see some photos of our team. It records some memorable moments from the first beginning with only 4 people to now a big, happy family. And we have another wall there. As you can see here, it records some challenges we faced in the past years, like that one, the DN3750 butterfly valve to MCGM, an Indian government project, which was reported by a local newspaper due to the large size. Thanks to these precious experiences, we become better. Now after all this digression, let's get backtrack and see what we do in the center.
Orders that have been inspected already will be double-checked in this center, especially for orders with special requirements. In this way, we avoid missed inspections or wrong inspections. Finally, we are close to final delivery. Packing in this center are well managed according to valve features. We try best to use space rationally and minimize your cost on this. On the opposite, we never spare a single penny on our packing. Your valve will be put in moisture-proof bags of at least 30 micrometers. What's more, we have foam wraps of 3 thickness levels, 3, 5, and 10 millimeters. They will protect other accessories. And we also put extra protection on valves like iron wires holding them tightly, let alone these super strong packing belts. All we do is to make sure your goods will be conveyed to your hand safely and intactly.
Alright, this is the end of this video. We witnessed the valves born in Manufacturing Center and Integration Center. Hope it offers you a better view to know about Dervos. Leave your comments and hope to see you guys soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.